Melania Trump's immigration lawyer condemns White House visa move. The White House's proposed overhaul of the H1B visa allocation process has ignited fierce criticism from immigration attorney Michael Wilds. In a candid interview with Newsweek, Wilds expressed deep concerns about the plan, warning it could disproportionately harm small businesses, rural employers, and U.S. universities that depend on access to international talent. Why this proposal matters. The H1B visa has been a cornerstone of the U.S. economy, enabling companies to recruit highly skilled workers in critical areas such as science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Every year, the demand for these visas far outpaces supply, prompting the use of a lottery system to distribute the 85,000 available spots fairly. Now, the White House seeks to replace this lottery with a weighted selection process that would prioritize applicants based on higher wages and advanced educational credentials. While the intent to reward top talent may appear beneficial, critics argue it risks narrowing access. Wealthier tech giants would likely corner the market, leaving startups, rural businesses, and educational institutions without viable options. The policy could deter international students, jeopardizing tuition revenue streams and raising educational costs for American families. Economists warn this shift may exacerbate workforce inequality and create deeper divides in both labor and education sectors. What's changing? From chance to credentials. Under the proposed changes, visas would no longer be awarded randomly, but based on factors such as salary levels and degrees earned. The Department of Homeland Security believes this could better align visa awards with economic value, a sentiment echoed by innovation-focused think tanks. However, Wilds cautions that small and mid-sized employers simply cannot match Silicon Valley's salary offers, making the new system exclusionary. Universities, too, could suffer if international students, who often fund scholarships and contribute significant tuition revenue, seek educational opportunities elsewhere. Michael Wilds warns of very negative consequences. Michael J. Wilds, managing partner at Wilds & Weinberg and adjunct professor at Cardoso School of Law, emphasized the broader implications of this policy shift. A ranked H-1B system would severely disadvantage rural employers and smaller enterprises. It's not just a policy change. It's a potential crisis for industries and educational institutions across America. Wilds, whose father famously defended John Lennon during his deportation case, likened the proposed changes to stripping opportunity from hardworking immigrants seeking a better life. He underscored that America's strength has always been its ability to integrate diverse talent, not restrict it. Big tech stands to gain. Critics worry. The changes would likely benefit tech behemoths that can afford to meet higher salary requirements. During Donald Trump's first term, H-1B visas were criticized for replacing U.S. workers with cheaper foreign labor. The current proposal, critics argue, would simply create a new form of inequality, one where only the richest companies can access global talent pools. Wilds pointedly remarked, "It's biblical, like asking workers to build without tools. This proposal risks locking out the very people who keep America's economy running." What comes next? The proposed reforms won't take effect immediately. The 2026 visa cap is already filled, giving employers breathing room. DHS will soon publish the full details, opening a formal comment period for stakeholders to express their concerns. Afterwards, revisions or finalization of the policy could stretch the debate over months or even years. For now, uncertainty looms. Small businesses fear exclusion, universities worry about losing tuition-paying students, and tech giants prepare to benefit, but possibly at the cost of public trust. As the nation grapples with how to balance economic needs and immigration fairness, the outcome of this debate could redefine America's role in attracting global talent for generations to come. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below.
Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Melania Trump's immigration lawyer condemns White House visa move. The White House proposed changes to the H1B visa system aiming to replace the lottery with a wage and education-based selection process have drawn sharp criticism from immigration attorney Michelle Valdez. He warned that the shift would favor wealthy tech companies while hurting small businesses, rural employers, and U.S. universities. Critics argue it could deter international students, reduce tuition revenue, and increase education costs for America. While some advocate the change to prioritize high-risk workers, opponents fear it will deepen workforce inequality. The proposal full details are pending, and a public comment period will follow, with its outcome likely reshaping U.S. immigration and economic policies.